So I finally got my hands on the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. Now this is Xiaomi's latest beast, and even though it is not officially global, they've advertised it to have global network support, which means in theory, this should catch 5G right here in Nigeria. Now usually Chinese Redmi or Xiaomi models I've used in the past don't pick up 5G here in Nigeria due to band limitations. So I'm really curious to see if this one actually connects. So let's get into the unboxing and my first impressions, and I'll also show you how to activate Google Play Store and services since this is the China version. Right out of the box, we've got that classic Xiaomi premium packaging. Inside you'll find the phone itself. Wow, it is huge, but surprisingly sleek for its size. Next, we've got a 100-watt fast charger, a Type-C cable, transparent protective case, and some paperwork, all in Chinese. Let's keep that aside. I don't read Chinese, I don't understand it, so let's not bother. Now, this color looks insane. You can already tell Xiaomi's design team went all out on this one. There's a subtle curve at the back, the camera eyeline is bold, and the phone just screams flagship. Now, talk of cameras, we've got triple 50 megapixel sensor on here. 50 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom. Now, the front is also 50 megapixel. Get to test that later in my use of the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. Still on the back, you also notice something interesting, that mini display. Xiaomi calls it the magic back screen. And it is not just for show. You can check notifications, take selfies with the rear cameras, and even control music from here. It is smart and fun to look at and even make use of it. The display up front is a massive 6.9-inch AMOLED panel, 120Hz LTPO refresh rate, up to 3500 nits brightness. Basically, even under harsh sunlight here in Abuja, Nigeria, this screen should shine effortlessly. Now, powering this monster is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. That's Qualcomm's latest and most powerful chipset yet. We're also getting up to 16 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM, UFS 4.1 storage, a 7500 mAh battery, plus IP68 water and dust resistant. Basically, you're getting a complete package on this device. Now, for software, this is running Xiaomi's HyperOS 3 based on Android 16. Now, since it's the Chinese version, it doesn't come with Google Play Store pre-installed, but don't worry, I'll show you how to activate that shortly after I insert my SIM cards inside it to test 5G connectivity. And there it is, 5G signal detected on both my MTN and Airtel SIM card. That's actually impressive considering this isn't the global variant. I'll test the speed and consistency in my full review, but for now, that's a good sign. So to get Google Play Store and services on the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, all you have to do is to head over to settings and search for Google. And then select basic Google services, as you can see, and turn on basic Google services. That is not all, then you head over to the Get Apps and download Google Play Store. And that's about it. You get all your Google Play services, all your applications downloaded from Google Play Store. So that's my unboxing and first impression of the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, a phone that looks and feels like a proper ultra flagship. Now, my full review after using this device extensively, I'll be testing battery life, gaming performance, camera performance especially, and whether it really lives up to that Pro Max title. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I guess I'll be talking to you in the next one.